In this video, we're going to look at how to enable reader mode in Google Chrome on your desktop computer. Start by opening the Chrome browser on your computer. Then go to any web page that you would like to read. Once the page loads, right-click anywhere on the page. A menu will appear. Use your mouse or keyboard arrows to find the option that says Open in Reading Mode. Click on it. There is also another way to turn on reader mode. Look at the top right corner of the browser window. You will see 3 dots in a vertical line. That's the Chrome menu. Click on the 3 dots to open it. From the drop-down, go to More Tools, then click on Reading Mode. The page will now open in a simplified layout. All the extra content is removed. You will only see the main text and images from the page. If you want to change how reader mode looks, you can customize it. You can change the font style. You can make the text bigger or smaller. You can also change the color theme. There are light, dark, and other color options to choose from. You can adjust how much space is between lines. You can also change how much space is between each letter. There is also a side panel that opens when you turn on reader mode. You can change the size of this panel. You can make it take up half of your screen or even more. That gives you more room to focus on the content. If you want to read the original web page and the simplified reader mode version at the same time, you can do that too. Just highlight some text in one view. Chrome will automatically scroll the other panel to match the same place on the page. This keeps everything in sync. Reader mode works in many languages. That includes French, German, Spanish, Japanese, Portuguese, Dutch, Korean, Italian, and many more. If Chrome supports the language, reader mode does too. Now you know how to turn on reader mode in Google Chrome. You also know how to customize it and use it in the way that works best for you. Thanks for watching.